Yeah, I remember that pit. Now I'm standing on the rock. I was knee deep in the mud, heart cold, hand stained from the past I loved. Trying to climb but the walls kept breaking. Dark in my head, every breath I was shaking. Voices saying you ain't never gonna make it. Chain after chain and my soul felt naked. And grace hit quick like a flash in the night. He reached down low, put me into the light. I was so far gone, but he came for me. Now I stand so strong where I used to bleed. Every scar I got is a story that I bring. Turn my cry into a song I sing. He took me from the pit to the rock. Gave a new song, now it just don't stop. Won't quit. I was buried in the shame and the shock. Now I lift my hands high, yeah, I watch change drop. He put a new sound deep in my mouth. Now I'm singing what the freedom is about. Hey, did he for me, he can pull you out from the pit to the rock. Let the faith shine. Whoa. I remember those nights on the floor, bottled by the bed, couldn't take much more. Mama on the phone had a lie, I'm fine, but I knew that I was running out of time. Then I cracked that book, hit Psalm 4 rows, saw my own life in every line, every note. He drew me up out the miry clay, felt the tug on my soul, had to fall, had to pray. Now the ground don't shake when the storm rolls in. Got a firm foundation I can stand on again. Every step I take, yeah, I'm making it in his word. Hope in my chest, let it echo, let it be heard. He took me from the pit to the rock, gave a new song, now it just don't stop. I was buried in the shame and the shock. Now I lift my hands high, yeah, I watch change drop. He put a new sound deep in my mouth. Now I'm singing what the freedom is about. Freedom's out, and he did it for me. He can pull you out from the pit to the rock. Let the faith shine. I was so low, now I rise. Tears on my face turn to fire in my eyes, yeah. Testimony on 10, let it blaze. Every breath I got, I'ma aim it as praise. This is for the kid with the blade in his hand, for the girl in the dark trying to stick to the plan, for the one in the cell feeling locked in place. There's a hand reaching down, that's amazing grace. He took me from the pit to the rock, gave a new song, now it just don't stop. I was buried in the shame and the shock. Now I lift my hands high, yeah, I watch change drop. He put a new sound deep in my mouth. Ooh, and I'm singing what the freedom is about. Free to know, if he did it for us, he can pull you out from the pit to the rock. Let the faith shine. Hey. From the pit to the rock.